don't do it. It's a little tight, a little bit tight. Dude, this is awesome! No way! Ooh. This looks like the end of the road. Just want to get to a nice view. This is not bad though. What do you think? We should keep going, right? This is getting crazy. Oh, damn it. Well, we're gonna have to leave the bike here. This is a little extreme for the Shinkos. Oh, but I want to walk up here and see what we're looking at. Not much of a view. I'd probably have to keep walking really far, so we are about to burn it back down this mountain though. Tight and technical, just what the 450 does not like. Woo! But it's pretty fun. Anyway. God, shit almost took my head off. We on them streets now, boys. About to be wheelie o'clock. Let's see if I can't get a little fatty right now and love. Peace.